其實咧呢題咧就好簡單嘅啫，佢就係問你而家 demand increase， 咁咧個生產商就決定生產多啲。點解啊？因為你 demand increase， price increase。OK， price increase 嘅話 QS 係咪升啊？因為你貴咗，你咪賣多啲，咁咪賺多啲錢咯。所以其實就係邊一個 problem 咧？其實就係 what to produce 啦。首先就係因為 what to produce 就係講緊生產啲咩啊嘛。咁生產啲咩咪取決於邊個賺錢多啲咯。即係 allocative function 啊。price increase 賺多啲錢，我就生產多啲，所以就係 what to produce 啦。點解我唔生產汽車，即係石油嗰啲車啊？我生產電車啊，因為而家電車多咗 demand，price 貴咗咯。所以我就決定咗生產咩啦。It's related to the choice of quantity of output。係啦，因為決定生產幾多數量啊嘛。生產數量，生產幾多個數量都係一種 what to produce 嚟嘅。因為你生產多咗電車數量，生產電車嘅數量多咗，你生產其他嘢嘅數量就會少咗噶嘛。因為有 scarcity 噶嘛，資源係唔夠噶嘛。OK， 咁how to produce 唔係啦，因為佢而家係決定整啲咩啊嘛，唔係點樣整啊嘛。佢冇話點樣整一個電車，係咪？所以2就唔啱嘅。3咧，佢就話 for whom to produce， 咁咧其實都係嘅。點解啱咧？因為佢話賣佢哋貴啲啊。咁逢親關於 price 事嘅嘢咧，就係 for whom to produce 啦。因為 price 就係決定俾邊個買啊嘛，決定俾個 highest valued buyer 買啊，定係將個 price set 平啲，俾啲窮啲嘅人買咧。係啦，呢一個就係決定俾邊個人買噶嘛。你定價就係為咗決定你想俾邊個人買啊嘛。所以 the distribution of output 啦，就係你個電車俾邊個買咧，咁就係 for whom to produce，所以答案就係 D 啦。